Family bunker plans. If you're anyone like me, you want to do absolutely everything in your power to make sure your family is safe, no matter what. You know what? The ultimate solution is a survival bunker. After deciding to provide my family with a survival bunker, I sat down and drew up a plan with all of our special requirements. I needed to fit enough food and water supplies for 6 months straight. I researched for months and asked several builders to help me plan out a bunker, so I could do the work myself to save some money. It wasn't until 6 months after starting my research, I was contacted by a nice fellow that goes by the name of Brian Walters. After speaking with Brian over the course of a few weeks, I finally convinced him to help me with my own family bunker. Get your copy of John's bunker plans just like I did, and give your family the security and safety they deserve. Use our secret sources to get your materials at the lowest possible price. This can make or break your chances at building a low-cost bunker. You and your family are in direct danger, and right now you have the chance to get a solid survival plan in place. https://bit.ly/bunkerplan